Minister wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Profesa Kithure Kindiki nĩorĩtie afithaa a wathani wa matũũra arĩa mekũheo matharaita ama mahũthĩre wega kũgitĩra mũingĩ. Akĩaria hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩa kũrĩkia mathomo arĩa anini a makomishina thukuru-inĩ wa Utawala Embakasi, Kindiki augĩte mĩcinga ĩbatiĩ kũhũthĩrwo ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire kũringana na gatiba. Kindiki no augĩte maabithaa aya nĩmekwamũkĩra ngari na nduthi cia kũmateithĩrĩria kũgacĩrithia ũgitĩri.
Utawala. We will improve on the equipment that you require to be able to combat these dangerous criminals, and we will not allow any discussion from any quarter whatsoever except that which is in the national interest. I have been in those places. The risk is extremely high. The conditions and the environment and the terrain is extremely challenging. And we are not going to have a situation where bandits and criminals hold hostage our country to a level of a few instances where we have had a few officers lose their life in the line of duty. I repeat this for the avoidance of doubt. The gun, the weapon that a security officer is provided for by the government of Kenya, that weapon is to protect the people of Kenya, their lives and their property from criminals. Therefore, use that weapon within the law. Use it within the Constitution. And the government of Kenya will defend you, will protect you, will stand by you